Guys, for quite a long period of time, I've not been very lucky in the cryptocurrency market until I discovered this particular trading strategy that I'm going to share with you today. Yes, to me, it has been a great strategy as I have seen my capital moving from only $50 to a capital of more than $500. I'm going to share with you how I've been doing it and how I've just been able to convert a capital of less than $50 into a capital of today's more than $500 within only a period of less than 2 months. Yes, guys, this is a very great strategy, but first you need to learn. You need to learn before you can be able to use it effectively. Now, the first thing, guys, you need for you to be successful with this particular strategy is that you need a cryptocurrency exchange that has a number of cryptocurrency coins. Yes, the kind of cryptocurrency exchange that you are going to need in this case are cryptocurrency coins, are cryptocurrency exchanges like Binance, a cryptocurrency exchange like Bybit, a cryptocurrency exchange like KuCoin. For my case, I am using KuCoin cryptocurrency exchange. The reason why I am insisting on using this kind of cryptocurrency exchanges and not the cryptocurrency wallet, that is the hot wallet, is because this particular strategy is going to work with those cryptocurrencies that are still very low in terms of market cap, and also that are still having very high growth potential with high liquidity. Now guys, for my case, for those people who are using KuCoin, you will just log in into your KuCoin account. Then when you log into KuCoin account, you will come down here. You are going to see a button for assets. You click on assets, guys. Yes, you click on assets, and when you click on assets, you are going to see all these things, guys. These are all things that you are going to see. You are going to see overview. You are going to see the main account, trading account, margin account, futures account, put account, finance, wealth, and many more. For my case, I am very much interested in the margin account. And why am I interested in the margin account, guys? Now, the margin account gives me an opportunity to borrow either cryptocurrency. It gives me the opportunity to either go long or short on a particular cryptocurrency. For example, in this case, you can see the cryptocurrency that has enabled me to accumulate or to grow my capital from only $50 to today. You can see I'm talking about $530 is a cryptocurrency by the name CAS, that is Casper. So you have to choose that cryptocurrency that you have searched very well and you understand how it works, you understand its volatility. Then we want to exploit the arbitrage opportunities that are hidden in these volatilities. Especially you find that the price movement of some of these coins, for example CAS, a price movement of CAS is always in zigzag. In a single day you may find that the price of CAS has gone up, it has gone down, it has gone up, it has gone down very many times. And with that one, you are able to make a lot of money. Let us see how this thing works. Yes, guys, you can see what we need to look at is the highest price within the last 24 hours and the lowest price. The highest price over the last 24 hours, we are talking about 0.05220 USDT. The lowest price, we are talking about a price of 0.05036 USDT. Then when you just come here and expand this particular chart, you are going to see how it has been. Yesterday the price went up to, yesterday was 24th, and the price went up to 0.05319 USDT. Then the price came back again. Yes, the same day the price came back again to 0.05024. So you can see the kind of volatility that we are talking about, and you can see it is going up and going down. Now guys, in this case we have two main things that we want to do, and now I can just come back here and show you. We have two main things that we want to do. we have a pair of CAS. As you can see here, guys, we have a pair of CAS and we have a pair of USDT. We have a pair of CAS and USDT. In this case, you can see in any margin account, the exchange is giving you an opportunity to borrow a cryptocurrency, either the CAS or the USDT, to borrow any amount that you want depending on the leverage that they have set. So you may decide to borrow CAS or you may decide to borrow USDT. And by borrowing, it simply means that you are not going to touch the amount of money that you have already put, the amount of money that you have already invested there. For example, right now you can see I have 530. That is the current price, that the current capital according to the price of CAS. Now, I do not want to sell this cryptocurrency, then wait for the price to fall or go up, because I am not sure whether this will happen. But what I want to do, I just want to make good use of the price movements during this time. So I come here, you can see I come here, I click on borrow. You can see I click on borrow USDT. Right now I have already borrowed USDT up to 3 times, but if I want to borrow USDT, I may just continue. If I want it to go to, let's say, 4, I may just continue and borrow. You can see this is the amount of USDT that they can give me again if I now extend it up to 4. Yes, but I do not want to borrow because I have already borrowed it. Now, when I borrow USDT, what am I going to do? When I borrow USDT, I am expecting the price of CAS to increase maybe in the next 24 hours. When the price of CAS increases over the next 24 hours, I'm going to borrow that USDT. Then I'm going to come here to buy. Yes, guys. Once I have that USDT, I have borrowed the USDT. It is going to appear here just the way it has appeared here. Then I'm going to buy the amount of CAS that I want to buy. Maybe it is a 400 USDT. It can give me, let's say, 10,000 or 8,000 CAS. Then after I have bought CAS, let's say that I have bought CAS at a price of 0.05067 USDT. I'm going to wait for the price until the price hits maybe 0.052. Then this is something that I can just automate. As you can see, there are some orders that I have already automated. I have 2 sell orders. Guys, if you already know how the sell orders works and if you already know how the limit orders work, this is how you do it. You are going to set the price that you want. Of course, here you are going to check it. It is not the market order, but the limit order. You check the limit order, then you type the price at which, for example, you want to sell that cryptocurrency. I want to sell this cryptocurrency when the price reaches 0.0525. Then I'm going to just enter the amount of CAS that I want to sell. Let's say I want to sell 25% of all my CAS. Then you just click on sell. That particular order is not going to be executed because the price is not yet at 0.0525. And as you can also see, those people who are ready to sell, or those people who are ready to buy, if we come to the limit order book, you can see the first person who is ready to buy a cryptocurrency at the moment is buying at the price of 0.05063. Now it will wait until the price hits 0.0525. That the price that I have set is when it will be automated. Provided that I have already placed that limit order, an order to sell, it will automatically sell when that particular price is reached. Yes, and that is how you make money. Whenever the price goes up to where it has been, you have set it, you will automatically get that particular amount of money. And maybe in that case, if the profit is going to be 4%, you are going to get 4% of your $400. That is just within about 12 hours or 6 hours. You get 4% of that. That is around 16 USDT. Then you come here, then you come here, then you say you want to repay. You come here, you want to repay, and we are going to repay. Yes, for my case, I do not have USDT to repay, but if I want to repay, I may even just say that I want to repay this one, and you can see loan has already been repaid. So once you repay, you will find that in a single day, if you have borrowed a USDT worth $400, you will only pay maybe $0.5 within 24 hours. So it is very, very little, while whatever you have achieved is more than $12. So guys, that is how I have been doing it. That is if the price is going to increase. But if you feel that the price is going to decrease again, you can still make money, or you can still make money either ways, whenever the price increases or whenever the price decreases. Now, when you know that the price is going to decrease, what do? You are going to come here, you are going to borrow, but now you are not borrowing the base cryptocurrency. The base cryptocurrency in this case is USDT. You are going to borrow the cryptocurrency itself. Now I want to borrow cash. What happens when I borrow cash, guys? I will borrow cash. For example, in this case, I can borrow 8,400 cash. Then immediately I borrow it. Remember that I am only going to return the amount of cash that I have been given, maybe plus the small interest that will be charged, and the interest will be in form of cash and not the USDT. Now let's say that I have borrowed 8,400 cash. What am I going to do? It is always good to borrow this if you feel that the price is going to decrease. Let's say you feel that the price is going to decrease to below 0.05. After you have borrowed cash, you are going to sell it at the current price. Then you are now going to be having the USDT and not cash. You are going to wait until the price decreases. Then you are going to buy back the cash. When you buy back the cash, you are going to buy it at a lower price than you had sold it. After you have bought back your cash, you are going to repay again. Remember, when you are repaying back the cash, you are going to repay in form of the cash. Yes, when you are repaying, you are going to repay in cash and not USDT. And that is how you are going to make money again. You can see the total that I'm supposed to be paying back now is 8,900 cash, and I'm going to pay in form of cash. Over the last 6 hours, the only interest that I have been charged on this is 0.0355595 cash out of the 8,900 cash that I have borrowed. Then when you come here, you can see everything is here, guys. Everything is here. You can see now my total debt in terms of cash, 8,900. My total debt in terms of USDT, 527.85. Then the total amount in orders in terms of cash, 18,900. Total assets is 29,800 cash. So when I sell all those that are in orders, I'm going to remain with around 10,901 cash. Yes, and that is exactly how it is done, guys. It has made me a lot of money, and each and every day I normally find myself making not less than $20 just by placing it. It is not like trading forex, it is not like gambling. It is very, very safe, and especially if you are going to place these bets both short and long.